Hello guys. For this video, the objective is to find the solution of integrate 4 multiply 1 minus x squared without the integration. Okay. How do we solve the integration without an integration? We will use the area under the graph. In this case, we notice that this is something familiar. If we put a y equals to square root of 1 minus x squared and then power 2 in both sides, and then arrange the x squared in the left hand side become y squared plus 1. Okay, obviously this is a circle equation where the center x equal to 0 and y equals to 0 and the radius of the circle is equals to 1. Okay, let's draw this circle. Okay, let's draw a circle. In this case, let's draw a circle. Okay, and let's draw the x exit and y exit. Okay, briefly, this is x, this is y. Okay. The radius, this is the center of the circle, this is a radius. Okay, and here is -1, here is -1. Okay, there are two parts of the circle. The one at the top, is actually represented by the equation we just derived, and the one at the bottom is actually the negative of to the equation that we just derived. So the integrations of this part over dx between 0 to 1 obviously is the area under the graph, which is a quarter circle, which is 1 over 4 multiply pi multiply r square. Okay, where the pi r square is a standard equation for a circle. Okay, a quarter circle will be multiplied 1 over 4. The radius in this case is 1, so therefore the quarter circle is actually 1 over 4 multiply pi. And now our original question requires us to multiply 4 to the half circle equation, which therefore the integration of 0 to 1 4 multiply 1 minus x squared square root dx is 4 multiply 1 over 4 pi, which is equals to pi. Okay, and this is the answer. As always, thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe to my channel. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.